In this lecture, we will go over how to average into an investment position. Averaging into your positions over time is a good way to avoid purchasing your entire holdings at a top. The best way to average into any position is to make small purchases on a regular and consistent basis. Averaging into investments instead of buying all at once is a smarter and safer strategy to implement, especially when purchasing assets with extreme volatility. Also known as dollar cost averaging, the goal of this strategy is to reduce the impact of volatility on large purchases. Instead of making one single large purchase, you can make several smaller purchases on a set day each week or month, or even set up automatic recurring purchases on some platforms. If you happen to make a purchase at a top, you can make another purchase after a fall to bring your dollar cost average down. This means that your overall cost per share is lowered when you make purchases at a lower price than your current average buy-in price. If you're accumulating a position to invest for the long term, dollar cost averaging is one of the safest ways to make your purchases. Averaging in may not always be the most profitable strategy, but it helps to minimize downside risk while ensuring you profit from the uptrends. So let's take a look at an example of how to average into a position. So let's say you wanted to start investing in the stock Pandora, so you made your first investment purchase at $8. But then the price drops to $4, so you also purchase some at $4 on your next scheduled purchase day. That way your average buy-in price would now be $6, and you would start making profit again once the price passes above this level again. So if this was a real scenario, even though we made our first purchase around $8, then the price is only at $7.88, by averaging in, we would already be making profit. Purchasing your entire investment position at one time is rarely a good idea. For example, if I got excited about the precious metals rally back in 2012 and purchased my entire gold position all at once at $2,000, I would still be down big and waiting to get back positive. But if I bought a little bit at $2,000, a little at $1,200 after the drop, and then a little more at $1,000, my average would now be around $1,400. And once the gold price goes back above $1,400 again, I would be in the green. Our portfolio would currently still be down a bit, but not nearly as bad as it would be if we purchased our entire position at $2,000. Whenever I see a huge 20% or more pullback on certain assets that I invest in, such as gold or Bitcoin, I typically purchase a bit more than normal. If I'm confident in my investment selection, I will consider these type of pullbacks as an asset going on sale. This also helps to bring your dollar cost average down much faster. In the next lecture, we will take a look at the contrarian investing strategy of buying the dip. I'll see you in the next video. To get the full stock trading and investing technical analysis masterclass, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Also, go ahead and click the thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever we release new content. The link in the description will take you to the full stock trading and investing technical analysis masterclass, where you will learn how to use candlestick charts and technical analysis for stock trading and investing as you look over my shoulder as I go through multiple strategies, tips, and real day trading examples. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned to see a preview of the stock trading and investing technical analysis masterclass from Quantum Courses. Are you ready to learn everything you need to know to get started with stock trading and investing using technical analysis? Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the Stock Trading with Technical Analysis Masterclass. Learning how to trade stocks is just like learning a new language. You could try to learn through trial and error, but having a guide will save you a ton of time and probably a lot of money as well. We will cover the top mistakes that most beginners make and the traits that you must develop to become a successful trader. You will learn how to read and understand candlestick charts, and how to apply and use various indicators and overlays to perform technical analysis. We will go over how to create your account on a trading exchange and go over how to use the platform tools. And you will even follow along as you watch me buy and sell stocks as I place real trades with real money. You get to look over my shoulders as I go through multiple day trading examples so you can see my entire trading process from A to Z. No experience or money is required. Trading can be a little overwhelming for beginners, so for the less experienced traders, I will also show you a method that you can use to start practicing trading real stocks without risking any real cash. Starting with this method will allow you to practice the trading techniques and strategies that you learn in the course in a realistic environment, worry-free. You will learn how to create watch lists so you can keep track of your favorite stocks and assets, the best tools and resources to find and analyze trades, various trade types and order strategies, and we will even go over how you can short various markets and assets without using options. As a bonus, We will also discuss some technical investing strategies that you can implement to start intelligently building your long-term investment portfolio. Learning to invest the right way can help you to build wealth over time, help to secure your future, and provide protection against certain economic or financial issues that may arise. So take some time now to check out the free preview videos and go through the course curriculum so you can see everything that we'll be covering in the course. This is a full-length stock trading masterclass covering everything you need to know to get started with zero fluff or filler. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to start learning with me today. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the course.